Discover how to create responsive designs efficiently using ClaudeCode, ensuring seamless applications across all devices.
In today's digital world, responsive design isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Imagine a website that scales perfectly across all devices, offering seamless user experiences whether you're on a phone, tablet, or desktop. That's the power of responsive design. In this video, we'll explore how ClaudeCode, a cutting-edge tool, aids in crafting these adaptable layouts effortlessly. By the end, you'll be equipped with the skills to transform any project into a fully responsive masterpiece. Stay tuned to master the art of responsive design. Responsive design revolves around creating web pages that look great on all devices. At its core, it uses fluid grids, which allow elements to resize based on the screen size. Flexible images and media are essential, ensuring that graphics don't break the layout. Media queries are the backbone, allowing specific CSS styles to be applied based on the device's characteristics. By focusing on user-centric design, we ensure that the user experience is optimized across all platforms. Understanding these fundamentals will empower you to create adaptable and visually appealing websites.
Getting started with ClaudeCode involves a few initial steps to streamline your workflow. First, set up the ClaudeCode environment by installing necessary dependencies and configuring your project for responsive design. Utilize responsive templates provided by ClaudeCode to jumpstart your development. These templates are built on a component-based architecture, making it easier to manage styles and layouts across different screen sizes. Adhering to best practices ensures that your workflow remains efficient and scalable. With ClaudeCode, you can focus on design creativity rather than technical complexities.
Grid systems and Flexbox are pivotal in creating complex responsive layouts. Grid systems provide a structured approach to positioning elements in rows and columns, offering control over spacing and alignment. Flexbox, on the other hand, excels in distributing space within a container, especially when dealing with dynamic content. By combining these two techniques in ClaudeCode, you can achieve intricate and responsive designs effortlessly. Understanding how to implement these systems effectively will enhance your ability to create adaptable and visually cohesive layouts. Let's dive into some practical examples to illustrate these concepts.
Media queries are the cornerstone of responsive design, allowing you to apply styles based on device characteristics. Setting breakpoints strategically is crucial. They dictate when your layout changes to accommodate different screen sizes. ClaudeCode simplifies breakpoint management by providing tools to handle multiple breakpoints efficiently. Optimizing for various devices ensures that your design works seamlessly across all platforms. Debugging media queries can be tricky, but with the right approach, you can resolve issues swiftly. Let's explore how to master media queries and breakpoints management using ClaudeCode. Testing your design's responsiveness in real time is crucial to ensure a flawless user experience. ClaudeCode offers a suite of testing tools that allow you to simulate different devices and screen sizes. This real-time testing capability helps identify layout issues early in the development process. By adopting an iterative testing approach, you can refine your designs continuously, ensuring they meet the highest standards of responsiveness. Let's delve into how you can leverage these tools to enhance your design workflow and achieve pixel-perfect layouts.
Integrating the right tools into your workflow can significantly enhance your productivity and design quality. ClaudeCode supports a variety of essential design tools, making it easier to streamline your processes. With built-in integrations, you can manage design assets and collaborate with team members seamlessly. These collaboration features foster a more efficient workflow, allowing you to focus on creativity and innovation. By enhancing productivity through tool integrations, you can create high-quality responsive designs with greater ease and precision. Let's explore some of the top tools you should consider integrating into your ClaudeCode workflow.
Creating responsive designs comes with its own set of challenges and pitfalls. Understanding these common pitfalls is crucial to avoid them. Fixed-width layouts can restrict flexibility, so it's essential to use fluid layouts. Handling images properly is another critical aspect. They should scale appropriately without distorting the layout. Excessive media queries can complicate your CSS, so use them judiciously. Ensuring accessibility is paramount, as responsive design should cater to all users, including those with disabilities. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you can create robust, user-friendly designs. Let's dive deeper into each of these challenges and how to overcome them.
Staying updated with the latest trends in responsive front-end development is crucial for any developer. Today, frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS are gaining popularity for their efficiency in creating responsive designs. Progressive web apps offer a seamless experience across devices, blurring the lines between web and native apps. A mobile-first approach is essential as mobile usage continues to rise. Looking ahead, The future of responsive design will likely involve more automation and intelligent design systems. Let's explore these trends further and how they can be integrated into your ClaudeCode workflow.
Congratulations on completing this journey into the world of responsive design using ClaudeCode. We've covered the fundamentals, explored advanced techniques, and highlighted the latest trends. ClaudeCode provides a powerful platform to create responsive designs efficiently, enhancing both your workflow and the end-user experience. I encourage you to practice these techniques and implement them in your projects. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more insightful content. Together, let's continue mastering the art of responsive design.